This is Frankie McDonald, my own TV station live in Sydney, Nova Scotia. Severe thunderstorms is now headed towards Arkansas on Wednesday, March 29, 2017. It's going to bring up to 30 plus millimeters of rain locally. It's going to bring chain lightning, very loud thunder, and may produce some tornadoes downstate Arkansas, especially in Little Rock, Arkansas. It might bring some large hail since a cold front will be going through Arkansas on Wednesday, March 29th, 2017. It's going to bring a lot of rain. It's going to bring a lot of thunderstorm cells up in the skies. Because the warm air comes from the Gulf of Mexico and the cool air comes from the northern United States. That's going to cause a lot of severe thunderstorms in the state of Arkansas on Wednesday, March 29th, 2017. It's going to bring a lot of rain, chain lightning, and very loud thunder. That could cause a lot of puddles in the streets, and that's going to create rivers to rise in the state of Arkansas on Wednesday, March 29, 2017. People in Arkansas, be prepared. Have your rubber boots ready, raincoats ready, raincoats ready. When you go outside to wear your rain, get ready, rubber boots ready, raincoats to keep you dry. Order your pizzas and order your Chinese food. Buy cases of Pepsi, buy cases of Coke. Make sure you have your Samsung Galaxy charged. Smartphones, cell phones, laptops, and tablets charged, and have your 3G, 4G ready. When a severe thunderstorm happens in the area, unplug your TVs, computers, stereos, and gaming consoles so you don't get a power surge. When a severe thunderstorm gets real bad, get indoors so you can be safe. Make sure to stay away from the underneath trees and stay away from the open fields, such as golf courses, so you don't get struck by lightning for people who live in Arkansas. If everybody living in Arkansas, be prepared for severe thunderstorms on Wednesday, March 29, 2017. Take care, stay safe. Don't get caught in severe thunderstorms. Stay dry, be safe.